Du paiement. Ouais, paiement frais.
Here you go.
Ouais, voilà, ouais.
Ouais, ciboulette, ça ressemble.
Non, mais ils appellent ça, quand tu passes dans les magasins
Does that smell good?
par stop, et ben par stop, ils appellent ça ciboulette. Alors pour nous, c'est des oignons.
Ciboulette, il n'y a pas du tout de blanc.
Bah oui, c'est ça.
Ouais.
Yes, that's it. And how do you know? You have to try.
When you see, I will show you.
Yeah, okay.
Easy to tell, very easy to tell.
Okay.
Because you look this one, and after cooking, it look a bit different.
Yeah, okay.
So the oil will go all the way through.
Okay.
Very nice. Very nice.
Yeah. So we dry fry the basic ingredient without no oil, no water.
No oil, no water.
Yeah, dry fry. So we have kalanga, onions, shallot, and the lemongrass.
Okay.
เอาขิงมาให้เลยเนี่ยปันขิงซอยเลยตามเอาขิงซอยมาเด้อต้องจุนขิง
Lemongrass.
Ah, tu mets dans l'eau bouillante.
And then into boiling water.
Yeah.
Il n'y avait pas de matière grasse avant.
Non,
Ah non,
que dalle.
Okay, that's good. And then that's the beef.
Yes.
You make the meatball. You go with it and always with the sugar. You can do also with the gas, like in the restaurant. Sometimes if we don't have time, we have to do in the do this quickly. But when you do in here, the rice is softer and nicer. Yeah.
Yeah.
So our sous chef is taking the meatballs. It looks good.
What in your family or your friend doesn't like, it smells too much for them. Yeah. So I will tell you the trick.
But I like some
here.
What is that, coriander?
Fish sauce. It's
Because
Fermented
most of
fish
our
stomach.
salad, we always add the fish sauce.
It smells so bad.
Yes.
Yeah.
It smells so bad.
It smells like the supermarket.
It smells horrible.
Les papaya salade, c'est ce.
So when you cooking, the smell disappear. That's why many people, when they make the salad, it still smell. So
Okay.
the trick is
Okay, tell me the trick.
you have to mix with the lamb. You never add like fish sauce step by step. You have to mix them together first before you add the other dish.
Okay.
Yeah. So you do like this.
Here you go. That's what I need to know. I hate fish sauce.
So we put only for the lap guy, but for this one no kalanga.
Ah oui, donc des fois on croit que c'est du piment, en fait c'est du galanga.
That's a different dish.
Lemongrass.
Lapdai is the chicken.
That's the log.
And the soybean paste. Soybean paste. The one is very salty one.
Dark one. Ah oui, ça c'était la banane.
Okay, and now I am putting the banana flowers. Yes.
And is this just water? This is just water. This.
Sorry?
Just water and
Yes.
lime and a little lime?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, can you mix? Yes. So you mix all everything together, yeah?
Okay, I'll mix.
Et comment ça
And this
abonne?
one?
Yes. About the
Thank
stuffed
you.
lemongrass, is it not too...
Oh, it's good. Oh, too much cook. Yeah, we forgot about this.
It'll be fine. It's fine.
Always the optimist.
It is. It's fine.
It's the extra crispy
There
recipe.
you go. That's like Kentucky Fried Chicken.
Kentucky Fried.
Kentucky Fried Chicken.
Oh, you need a tongue.
Need a thing.
นางปานโกเบิงสวยเลยไหมไปเลย
Thank you.
Then we turn off the eye.
Yeah.
And what was that you just put in?
The thick rice powder.
Okay.
Oh, see.
Can't make it without that. Won't be
Yes.
allowed.
là, elle a mis des bananes et
บ้านเอาวัตถุดิบจากนั้นมา Yeah, the long one. Yeah, okay. ก้านกำได้เคยจะใส่กัน So the coriander I will add on the top, yeah, when we serve.
Okay.
So you can eat everything.